Pain level 1 to 10. 10. Sadness level 1 to 10. 8. Happy level 1 to 10. I'm beyond happy. No. So that's an expression of what it's like to be in pain in your body, but in your soul, in your heart, in your mind, you still find joy. Find your joy. Gardening is mine. And see happily and family. Fun gardening. Hi everyone. I am Hetsie Happily. And most of the times I have my son out here and I'm gardening. Legend. Today I am going to show you clips of me gardening, but I'm going to add audios while I'm working, sharing with you all how some days are not good days for me. Everybody have hard days, but today is the day where I'm in excruciating pain. It's the day I can't pick up my son.
Go to the right, Papa.
Legend, I need you to water my shade guard. Oh, yeah, it's a day I rarely can lift my shoulders. It's a day that I can rarely take care of myself. But for anyone who's disabled, I dedicate this video to you, or anyone who's injured or recovered. Hetsie Happily and Family's channel is showing you how I get through life every day, not knowing when the storm is going to come, not knowing when the disability will cause pain, but gardening is how I get through. Gardening is how I mentally take care of myself. If you're of age and you're retired and your body is worn, broken, torn down, gardening is something you can do in between times. Gardening is also something you can do on days when you're in pain. I have to move a little slower. I have to keep my arms propped in certain ways. I have to think before I do. But guess what? On those happy days, which is why my door is yellow, because I am Hetsie Happily. On them happy days, I get a lot done. So if you follow my channel, you'll see. So enjoy this video. I've been waiting to give this video. I've been waiting to record for the right time. And this is the right time, when you can see me vulnerable, when you can see me hurting, where I'm the most authentic. I post for you all. Sometimes I post as a journal, and every so often I may come up with something that I want to teach. But ultimately, my goal was showing the world, being encouragement to those who have pain and to those who need to survive very difficult times in their life. I am Hetsie Happily. Joy. Also, for anyone who have been following my journey, you're going to see my hostas have had too much sun, so they're burnt. And majority of everything I'm putting in here have been through the summer heat. So I'm transplanting them now in the fall to give them a new location so they can prepare to come back for us come springtime. Cannot wait. Whew. So the leaves are bad now, but they'll look better next year. If I wanted to, I could divide them right now. So taking care of things does help when you can't take care of your kids, like for instance, lifting the milk, doing things like that. Today is not the day for it. I'll take care of plants instead. I cannot lift, but I can pull. Rotator cuff arthritis.
What you need help lifting with?
Okay. I do not like to ask for help like most people, but it is a time where I'm grateful I have Marcus here to help me This is my oak tree shade loving plant. But just make sure if you do have support that you find special ways to tell that person thank you. If it's kids, friends, neighbors. Also, it's very important if you would, also was like me years ago, I didn't have any help with Legend initially. I didn't have a lot of help, but building that support team is important. So I encourage you to hope and believe that that special person or people will come in your life when you'll need them the most. Life is hard. Having a support team makes it easier though. When you're going through any struggles, especially health related. Range of motion. My injury occurred on the job 2013. Surgery happened that December, so June 2013 surgery. I had a complete tear December 13th. You will never forget the day you have surgery, 2013. Right. For those who don't know what range of motion is, it's the ability to lift your arms. I can't go no further than that in this shoulder. Surgery happened in the left. Of course, you will affect the other limb whenever you have surgery. So range of motion, it took me about 3 years to have 90%, no, 4 years to have 90%. Within 2 years, I had about 75%. I was the patient that cried, that did not want to participate. So I extended therapy. And then after that, it took me a while to even attempt to do push-ups, attempt to go to the gym to regain my muscles and my lost limbs. But now skating and gardening is how I was able to get my range of motion back going. Days like this shoulder, I can lift to there. All the way behind the back, I can lift. This one, I can go behind to that portion, but going up, I can't. So when your shoulders are inflamed, there will be things you can and you cannot do. I can pull with no problem. Pain when I get back here though. So you'll get to learn your ligament. You'll get to learn all about your shoulders. There's days where the back of the shoulders hurt more than the front, because your shoulder does exist back here. So you all, I'm looking at my shade garden. There's things that are planted in wrong locations, that's too close, that I probably will move another day, because it's not about perfection. It's about getting out here. Being outside helps. Believe it or not, it is. Sunlight is good for you. The breeze to blow against your skin is good for you. So this is me surviving rotator cuff surgery. This is me. Also, I am medicated right now. I'm on Tylenol, 8 hours. So I feel a little woozy, but I still feel the pain, y'all. But you will have to take medicine. I tend to give it about a week. If the inflammation doesn't go down, doing everything I can, then I will go get a steroid shot. Steroid shots, if you don't know, they can only give you one per shoulder. So you will hope that if they give it to you and the one that's hurting the worst, that it would transfer to the other. In the past, that has helped where it relieved one shoulder, but it took a few extra days to actually spread to the other shoulder to relieve that. So if you're strategic, you can catch one ahead of time to give your body enough time to go back for a second shot. But steroid shots aren't that good for you, so I try to minimize mine. This is 2020, and if I go now, it will be my second dose in this year. But if I waited to January, it'll be one per year. That's my goal, to just one per year, but I can live with 2. You all comment down below. I will hope that one day these videos will reach the people who are really want to encourage and support, because tears are in the back of my eyes, and I wish I would have journaled or was on YouTube when I was going through this. But you all, also I guess I'll talk about the day I was retired. Keep up with your paperwork, go to your appointments, express everything to these doctors so they can journal. Hold your doctors accountable. Do not let your doctor, what is it, when they just write standard treatment or standard pain levels, anything standard, make sure they are writing specifically to your concerns, your needs, your pain, and your troubles in day-to-day life activities. Besides that, stay on top of your careers, your jobs. If it's the military, for me it was the government, stay on top of them. As to your rights, never give up. My day came where now I get to live every day free from work, but troubled in day-to-day activities when it comes to range of motion.
Good job.
Take care. I'll see you in the next one.
Good job. You digging a hole for mommy? My shoulders hurt, so my baby is helping me. Yeah, excuse his hair. My poor baby. He don't like me to touch his hair, and he slept on it, but I supposed to be oiling it. Oh, my baby. Thank you. This is a previous hold I used. So since I can't do a lot of digging today, I'm going to plant this inside of this hole for now. I can watch him all day. Legend, down here. Oh shit. Boy, you gonna wet me.